the quiet of the night, a widow cried out to the prophet Elisha. Her husband was gone, and creditors were coming to take her 2 sons as slaves. She was trapped, debt behind her, despair in front. Her only possession was a small jar of oil. But the prophet commanded her, "Go, gather empty jars from all your neighbors." She obeyed. With trembling hands, she began to pour from her single jar. A miracle unfolded. The oil flowed and flowed, filling every vessel she had brought. When the last jar was full, the prophet said, "Go, sell the oil and pay your debts. You and your sons can live on what is left." She witnessed the power of God's provision. As it is written, "And my God will meet all your needs according to the riches of his glory in Christ Jesus." This miracle showed that with God, a little faith can yield abundance. Don't forget to subscribe for more stories like this. God bless you and your family.